How to make videos with pictures on CapCut. If you want to make videos with pictures on CapCut, it means that you are trying to create a slideshow or anything as such on CapCut using just your pictures. Well, that is absolutely possible. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the CapCut video editor app from your Android or iPhone or App Store. Then just launch it. Now, since it is a free application, unfortunately, you might have to deal with some of the ads. So I'll just wait until these ads has been closed, and once I'm done, now what I want to do is, you can first of all, one way that you can create it is by choosing a template. So if you go to bottom, you can see the option that says templates. So when you go to templates, you can simply choose a template that you want. So there will be many slideshow templates. So in the search bar, I'll just type in, let's say, slideshow, and there will be many popular slideshow templates that I can choose, right? So here you can see a couple of ones. Some of them will require you a premium or the pro version of CapCut, but in most cases you might not need it as well. So you can just choose a certain template, and if maybe you like that template, then you can just tap on the use template button, go to the photos section and select a couple of photos that you want in this case. So you can see a couple of photos for a couple of seconds, and you'll see the time frame at the bottom as well. Then just hit the next button. It will automatically go ahead and then create a video for you using that template. If you do not like the template, again, the choice is totally up to you. You could come back, choose another template. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can add a couple of audio if you want to. Then you can hit the export icon from the top right to save that video and upload them to TikTok. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.